Welcome. In front of me is a FREEYOND M6, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode, which on this device it's named battery saver. It's on the first page for me, but once you see it on either one of those pages, you can then click on it and this will toggle it on. Now there is probably something that might be happening in the background that you're not informed about, and that is that to preserve battery life, the device might disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now there are two options. It might connect to it every so often to see if it's missing notifications. That would result in you having delayed notifications, or it just might not do it at all as long as you're not using the device. So those are the two options that might be happening. As you can see, there's no info about it, so be wary of that. If that is something that bothers you, that you can't have happening, just know that it's done by the power saving mode. And obviously, to get rid of it, just turn off the power saving mode. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.